Hello, guys, YouTube viewers. This is Unomas again, signing in YouTube, and I'm in Yahoo Japan chat room. I'm using my Gov here 8.2, Gov 8.2, Yahoo Japan room support. There goes. There goes my bots. As you can see, there goes my bots in here. There goes my master ID in my Gov Y Alpha Pinay. There goes my bots here. Today is uh okay. 16. Today is January 7, 2013. Okay, today is January 7, 2013. I'm using my Gov 8.2, and I do have a mass PC here in OFW Zone 1. Okay, this is Uno Mass. This is Uno of Y Alpha. Here goes my uh, ID. If I can step in here, I do get 0 BC. Okay, here goes. And just testing. I hope Yahoo US room that just like what there's something going on in I don't know the name of that chat room. The programmer it says he will bring back Yahoo USA chat room. You can put in your ELI in there, your all Yahoo IDs in there. Don't know if you can put in some exploit IDs in there. Uh, so let's just wait. For now, I'm in Yahoo Japan room. There you go. Bye bye, guys.